work. You see me have you work. You see me do me dirt. So me for that work. When you walk a line. I'm in the cafe, murder. Drive me a dessert. Nothing to have you lurking. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe all of your dreams are duration.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, you're always welcome here. You should know that by now. Like, you guys are always welcome here. But today I'm really excited because I come to you guys wearing this beautiful wig, and I made this wig today, actually, believe it or not. I pretty much woke up, made this wig, did my makeup. I've just been filming all day, I guess. But this wig is from Organic. This is what the packaging looks like. This is not the first hair I have bought from this company. I did another review on their hair a couple weeks ago. If you guys want to check that video out, the link will be down below. But basically this wig was $22.99. It came in the bundles 22, 20, and 18. So I put 22 in the bottom, and then I put 20, and then 18 is on the top. This is their deep loose curls. Also, this is in the shade 0T530. So that's pretty much like all the information about the wig. But I got this wig from my local beauty supply store, but of course you guys could go and order it online. Also, I'll put the link down in the description box. So I don't show you guys how I make it, but I do show you guys what the bundles look like and what cap I used to make the wig. I used the wrong cap to make the wig, but that's okay because I made it work. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I styled this wig, or you want to know a little bit more information about it, then go ahead and just keep watching the video. And yeah,
something that you never think. Wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. Work, you see me have you work. You see me do me dirty. Tell me about that work. You see me do me dirty. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please.
okay, so this is what the hair looks like. Like, I've made it into a wig, you guys. So I made it into a U part. So this is the whole wig right here. I have this much of my hair and like a little bit on the side left. And when I initially bought the wig, I thought, okay, I was kind of worried because you know how it's like red in the bottom, and obviously my hair is not red. So I don't know, I didn't think my hair would be long enough to get to this part. I don't know, I keep forgetting that my hair is growing, obviously. So I'm kind of having a little bit of a hard time blending it because I wanted to do a middle part and just blend it this way, but obviously like that's not going to look right because my hair needs a trim really badly, and also it's not burgundy, so it's not gonna work. So obviously I have to do something else. I already laid this side down, so I just used my new favorite leave-in conditioner, which is by I'm gonna just write it right here. Like, I'm not about to play with myself, y'all. I'm gonna write it right here. Also, you guys, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram because I post every day on there mini tutorials, whether it is natural hair or makeup or anything. I try to make sure like I upload at least one video or a picture a day. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put it like right here so you guys can like stay updated. But about this wig, okay, so I love it. Like, you guys, the hair is so bouncy, and I can already tell once like I play with it, I'm gonna really get into it. But first, let's get into this eye look. Okay, let's get into this eye look. So I don't really know what I want to do, but the first thing I'm thinking is I'm just going to do a side part, and since I laid this area, I'm just going to go ahead and like I'm going to hide my hair under the wig. Like, I'm going to just brush the wig out. We're going to make the wig really big, and we're just going to lay my front edges, and we're going to finesse this wig. So I'm not going to do much talking while I'm doing this. I'm just going to do it. You guys watch me, and yeah, I'm going to see you guys in a minute. But I'm going to look different. I'm going to look better. I'm going to look successful. I'm gonna come back a winner. Let's just
You are up that you see the truth. You are up that you see the truth. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel it's me, I feel it's me, do me da 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 da. So me better
yeah, okay, you need to get done. That'll work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta sit through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come over, sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need face to face. You could pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all work.
it's me, I feel you see me do me da 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 da. So me better nobody touch me in the race. Nobody touch me in the crisis. Nobody touch me in the race. Nobody touch me in the crisis. Nobody touch me in the race. Nobody touch me in the crisis. Nobody touch me in the race. Nobody touch me in the crisis. Work. You see me have you work. You see me do me da 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 da. So me better work. When you walk a la. I'm in the cafe, man, da. Drive me, I deserve it. Nothing to have you lurking. You make a like, man, you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touch me in the right.
this one is shedding a little bit. Like I showed you guys, like when I was just putting my fingers through it, it sheds a little bit, but the hair is thick, it's full, and it's fabulous. I can't wait to just like remake the wig so I can style it. I don't want to brush it out too much because I'm gonna like remake the wig, so there's no point on like ruining it right now. But if you guys would like, I will do an updated review on this in about a month or two because I'm really interested to see how it would look like. Okay, it's shedding a little bit. It's shedding. Definitely every time I run my fingers through it, it sheds a little bit, but it's like a wavy wig and it's synthetic, so it's kind of like expected. But generally I give the hair probably like an 8 or a 9, honestly, just because I love the color. I love how it's dyed. I love the ombre effect. I love how full and thick it looks. If like this whole thing is my fault, I shouldn't have made it into a U part. I should have just made it into a frontal. Like I don't know why I did this to myself, but I did it. It's my fault. I still like it. Like I'm still gonna wear it like this for a couple of days until, you know, I like remake it again. I'm really trying, you guys. I'm really trying to make sure that all the hair I provide on my channel is affordable and that all the products I use you guys could find easily, and you know, you don't have to spend too much of your coins because, you know, nobody out here got coins like that, you know what I mean? But you guys, tell me this hair is not cute with this look. Like, you can't. But anyways, I love the hair. Let me know what you guys think. Like, let me know what you guys think of the hair down below in the comment section. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'm so excited, you guys. I will see you in the next video. Kisses. Bye.
Before the table turn.